So if you want to find 18 plus content on your Snapchat, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you need to go to your Snapchat accounts. So if you are watching the spotlight on your Snapchat, you won't be able to find any plus 18 content on your Snapchat. So in order for you to actually see the plus 18 content on your Snapchat, you need, and for some reasons on security measures by Snapchat, you can't actually post those kind of content on Snapchat. Now if you post it, it is going to be, is either it is showing in a blurry format or you won't be able to actually see it. But you can actually see it if you are following those that post it on their page. So you can be able to see it only if you know those that are actually posting it on their page, and you can actually go to their page to see it. So that is how you can actually find plus 18 content on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in my next video.